Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have decided to do a makeup look, and it's gonna be a little simple summer makeup look, and this is my first time doing a voiceover, so please bear with me. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is apply primer. As you can see, I just applied the NYX Photo Ready Matte Primer all over my skin. The next thing I'm going to do is brows. So for brows, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Ebony. Now I'm just getting distracted by the music I was listening to. I was bopping, as you can see. Yeah. I do have a full in-depth video on how I do my eyebrows on my channel, so if you guys are interested, I will link that in the description below. The next step is concealer. So I use the LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Chestnut, and I'm just gonna put that around my eyes, and I'm going to clean up my brows with it. I was listening to Kim Petras, so there's that. Please go stan, Do Me is a bop. The next thing I'm gonna do is blush. So if you've ever watched any of my tutorials before, you'll know that my tutorials are Ratchet. So I am literally using this old crusty lipstick that is a matte red lipstick from like Hot Topic or Spencer's or some shit, and just putting that all over my cheeks and on my nose. Here I am again, bopping, this time to Meg Thee Stallion. Please go stan. So once I'm done blending that, the next thing I do is contour. So I use the Fenty Beauty contour stick. I think it's called like a True Match stick or something. As you can see, I'm running low, which is why I'm sad. I think it's in the shade Espresso.
Another intro, entertaining you until life controls your mental. Class out of session.
The next thing I'm gonna do is grab my L'Oreal True Match powder in the shade Nut Brown, and I'm just gonna set the concealer that I just put down on my face.
Turning up with my friends, it's all that. Sit still, just chill. We still here, coming right back. Hey.
Next, I'm going to do my faux freckles. So for this, I just use a NYX eyeliner in the shade Dark Brown, and if you guys would like a full in-depth tutorial on how I do my faux freckles, I could definitely do that for you. Next, I'm going to go in for eyeshadow. So for this, I'm using the Smarty Pants palette by MAC, and I'm just taking that little pinkish shade, the one that's not shimmery, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. Next, I'm gonna go in with like the bigger pink shade that's more glittery. I don't know what it's called, I'm so sorry, but I mean the big round one, and I'm just gonna put that over my lid as well. Next, I'm gonna take my Urban Decay Smoked palette, and I'm just gonna go for the dark purple shade, and I'm gonna put that in my crease and on the outer corner. Next, I'm just gonna go back in with that LA Girl Pro concealer, and I'm gonna clean up my eye area a little bit just so I have a very sharp and clean edge.
Well, here goes, not another intro, entertaining you until life controls your mental. Class out of session.
Next, I'm gonna go back in with that same NYX eyeliner, the dark brown one, and I'm gonna line my eyes. If you guys prefer using a black liner, that's totally up to you. This is just my preference. Next is lashes, and these are literally just from the hair store, so I don't know the exact brand, I'm sorry, but yeah. Now that we have our lashes on, we can finally go in with the setting spray, which as you can see, mine is Ratchet. So I'm just gonna spray my face with a generous layer and dry it off. For the last few steps, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter in the shade Girl Next Door, and that is also Ratchet and Broken, as you can see. And I'm just gonna put some of that on the tip of my nose, on my cheeks, under my brows, and I think in the inner corner of my eye and on the bridge of my nose. So just the areas that I personally like to highlight. So next I'm about to do like the most complicated lip combination ever, but I'm starting off with the NYX lip liner in the shade Plum, and I'm just gonna line my lips with that first. Next, I'm gonna go in with one of NYX's liquid lipsticks in the shade Dusty Rose, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lips. After Dusty Rose, I'm gonna go back in with another NYX product, which is a NYX lip liner in the shade Club Hopper, and I'm just gonna kind of go over that Dusty Rose that I just laid down, or kind of next to it, because personally for me, I like to have a little bit more definition on my lips.
It's all that, and laugh and turn it up with my friends. It's all that, and sit still, just chill. We still here, coming right back. Hey.
And then I'm just gonna go back in again with the Dusty Rose and kind of put it in the inner corners and stuff, just so I still get that pink color. Finally, I'm gonna go in with this glittery lip gloss, which unfortunately I cannot remember the brand name right now, but if I do remember it, I will put it in the description below. And I'm just gonna go over everything that I just did with a light layer. I should also mention that this lip gloss is a little bit holographic. I don't know if you could tell on camera, but yeah, I thought that was really cute for this look. Now I'm just gonna redo my hair in a style that I think fits this look best. I don't know what I was really inspired by, but I really just wanted to do like a side part and cute little clips. So here is me attempting to do that. So this was the first version of the hairstyle that I had. I thought it was cute, but I didn't particularly like the way the clips are placed, so I decided to just switch them to the other side, and instead on that side just put some bobby pins. And yeah, I thought it turned out super cute. Alright, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it for you guys. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, leave a comment down below letting me know what else you would like to see. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!